Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to add email on Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Facebook application. And once you're inside the Facebook, what you're gonna do is click on that three lines on the top right corner and go ahead and click on settings. Now go ahead and click on profile details. Now it will take you to the details you have added on Facebook. Now in order to add email address on Facebook, what I gotta do is click on that edit option which is beside the contact info. Now click on contact info in order to manage it. Now what you gotta do is click on add new contact and there click on add email address and here add your email address, and once you have done that, click on next and confirm it, and that will successfully make you add your email address on Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.